Yo, what's up? Hi everyone. So today's live stream, we are in area of the Tuban.
Yeah, very close by the airport. Today live stream, it's gonna be, for example, probably around 2 hours long, plus minus. Let's see. We're gonna drive today. We're gonna start from the going around airport in Bali. And then let's see where we're gonna go. You never know. This is live. If you're watching later the playback, I hope so you enjoy. Grab yourself drink, popcorn. Maybe you just wake up eating breakfast, or maybe you is everywhere around the world is a different time right now. So I hope so you enjoy. Don't forget to big thumb up. It's very important, guys. It's totally for free, but it's very important. And enjoy today's live. Yes.
Yes. All right.
Oops.
Okay, so this is Tuban area. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Today, this is the Tuban area, very close to the airport, and this is the roundabout, very popular actually, the statues over here. So basically, whenever you arrive to Bali and you exit the airport, you can see this one. This is like a first thing what most of you see while in Bali, right? When you just arrive.
Yeah, so here is the situation today.
Look at this guy, he's pushing the corn trolley.
Oh, that's the corn guy. Already get ready. I think that he's going to the Kuta or Jimbaran area. And
Yeah, he's going somewhere.
Yeah.
Little
Okay.
red light at the beginning, but that's normal.
Okay, so we will turn right today. I hope that you will enjoy our trip. So we will start our trip today from the airport. You can comment below, guys, if you miss the vibe in airport.
In general, do you miss guys traveling? Let me know. It's a little bit sunny, so sorry about that. It's gonna be a little bit like darkish in some points.
Yeah. Oops,
So-
sorry for the shakiness. I'm holding the camera and Damian driving as usual. Okay, so
This is the road to the
road to the
airport.
airport. I think that the last time it was when it was busy, I think 2 years ago, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. I remember the time when I catch the flight. I think that I catch the flight to Jakarta or Surabaya for the work matter, and then it was so traffic. But now, I think you can just chill to the airport.
Yeah, it's kinda quiet, but let's see how's the situation in the airport parking areas and the pick-up drop-off zones.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's-
Domestic, maybe it can be kinda normal, I could say. I mean, some traffic around, but international, I'm not sure.
Yeah, for the international flight, I think that the Garuda Indonesia, I think already flight, right, from Sydney, Australia, and also Singapore Airlines, that last time I saw on the news, already flight to Bali, and also Jetstar. Yeah, honey?
Yeah, Jetstar arrived like 2 or 3 days ago, something like that.
Yeah.
The first ones. So, definitely good sign. This is the airport entrance.
Yeah.
By the way, you are like driving with us, it's like you are sitting next to us. Many people comment like that. You have a feeling like that. That's actually nice.
Okay, look, Damian take the ticket.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, already? Okay.
So, let's go to international terminal first. Let's have a spin around, because mostly you are interested about international. But later, if in case you are coming from Jakarta, you will have to see how it's looks situation in domestic.
Yeah, so here is the international departure, right?
International departures, yes. Whenever you're leaving Bali, you are coming here.
Yeah,
And-
so you see that's the big sign of the G20 conference. Oh, this one is the international departure.
international departures. There are some people working. Airport seems to be open, but I'm not sure if it's many people flying out directly internationally from Bali. Basically,
Yes.
where you can fly right now directly from Bali to Singapore? No, there's no
No.
flights to. If you wanna fly
Fly
to,
out.
fly
No, I don't
out.
think so.
On Singapore from Jakarta. So this one, I don't know actually where. There are some,
Some people are here.
yeah.
Well, I don't know. So that was the international departure.
Departure. Let's go to domestic now, right?
Yeah. So we will go to domestic departure.
Let's see. How does it look like?
One thing that I always remember when in the airport is the taxi drivers who is always when like arrive or maybe when I leave the airport, taxi. I don't know. I miss that the people who are asking about the taxi actually.
That's for sure.
Yes, another big sign of G20 conference. Okay, so here is domestic departure.
Actually, also seems kinda
Busy, kind of. See the people. Yeah.
something is happening. That's for sure, guys.
Mhm.
That's for sure. This is domestic already going into departure. Also, arrival departures are in the same zone. Like it was the parking premium, so you pay extra, but you are close to terminal.
Yeah. I think that Damian really like to park in the premium. Okay, you pay more, but at least that it's close by.
It's
Yeah.
close by. Actually, it's only 20k more. Actually, 50k more. I don't know, something like
So
that.
here is domestic departure.
And seems busy. Yeah, definitely. Departure, domestic. It seems busy.
Why they are sitting on the floor? Maybe they're waiting for the check of the antigen test or something?
Yeah, I think so. There was the antigen zone, the test zone. There is drop off if you already make a test before somewhere in a hospital or something. You can just jump off and go. They are mostly local people. Obviously, this is domestic, but yeah. Anyway, if you fly out from Jakarta or you wanna go to Singapore, for example, or from Jakarta only, you have to come here. So yeah.
Bali is my life. Okay. So that was the domestic departure, guys. So have you ever been into the domestic departure? Maybe you can comment below. And when was the last time you were in the domestic departure?
Or where you were last time in Bali in general, guys.
Yeah, you can
It's
comment
also-
in the live chat.
Enjoy the live chat, especially guys who are watching this during the live. Of course, many of you will later watch the playback, so the comment section, but for everyone who are watching right now during the live, it's like great opportunity little bit for the conversations with the other people from all around the world. Monkeys Park.
Okay, so you see this building basically the parking lots for the domestic, what is it called, transportation.
Yeah, but also if we'll travel very longer, better park here. It's slightly cheaper, but also it's not underground, but it's with the roof, right? So
Yeah,
your car
it's,
is more safer in general. Parking premium is good for short stay, like one day trip somewhere, for example.
So,
Oops! And this is the motorbike parking also on the right side. You can show the people.
oh, you see, that's the motorbike parking. I think that there are 3 floors, right? The
Yeah,
motorbike
also very
parking.
interesting fact I read somewhere on the social media is there is about 50 motorbikes left abandoned in the parking area of the domestic airport.
Almost 2 years left. open.
2 years. Somebody just, I don't know what's happened, because there are many things possibly could happen. Would you like to go to the international arrivals?
Maybe let's go. Let's see.
Okay, let's have a look on the international arrivals. If we are still here, we have to take a little U-turn, but it's also possible. Also, many people actually leaving the parking area, so there is some traffic in the airport in general for sure. So let's go to international arrivals right now. In case if you would like to pick up your friend and you are already in Bali, you go different way, which is actually next to each other. It's a little bit confusing if you are a driver, especially by car, but you can handle it.
Unfortunately,
it's closed. Unfortunately, we cannot go inside. That means there is no flights.
There is no international flights.
Show the inside the terminal. So yeah,
you see,
black.
this is empty.
It's empty.
Oh,
there is no
goodness.
flights.
I remember, you know, when it's normal time, the ladies with the flowers are waiting for you, and then many bus and also many cars, taxis. Everything is waiting for you, waving for you, and then put the name, your name, on a kind of a board, like a big board. Welcome to Bali, Mr. Damian. Something like that. So if you miss that sign, I don't know, I just missed that sign.
That was the great memories, however, currently.
We cannot see that again. I don't know. We do hope. Yeah, after the, what is it called, VOA, and then no quarantine or tourism. I mean, like, yeah, everything is opening. We do hope that you guys can see it again.
Exactly. Okay, we are leaving airport right now.
Yeah.
We actually showed you everything regarding the Bali airport. International, domestic, arrivals, departures. So it's time to go somewhere. Let's see.
Yeah. Okay, so this live stream probably take around 2 hours, right? So guys, kindly, I just remind you to get your drink, to get everything, just like, you know, prepare your popcorn or something. It's just like watching the live movies from Bali. Okay, how much? This one lah.
Okay. Thank you. So, if you are interested, how long is this live stream? Like 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
Yeah, I think that around 10 minutes in the airport.
And cost me 10,000.
10,000. Oh.
1K per minute.
1K per minute. Yeah, I read somewhere in the news that now the cost of the parking in the airport actually getting increased because of, you know, there is not much income in the airport, but they have to maintain the operational cost in the airport. That's why the cost of the parking fee is increasing.
Yeah. Also, there was a few situations of people who left their cars for very long time, like few months. There was one guy who left the car for like a half year. You know, maybe he go and he had to pay like many millions of rupiah for the parking fee. But basically, in simple words, you're paying around 100K a day. So 10 days is 1 million, and if it's your half year, so,
so, yeah,
so you can calculate.
It.
It's a lot.
Okay, so now we already out from the airport. I think, where are we going, honey? We are in the area of Tuban.
Let's go, maybe Tuban, we're gonna later. Let's go to Nusadowa.
Oh,
but let's go by the motorway a little bit, by the toll road.
Okay, so we will go to the toll road and we will go to Nusadowa.
Let's have a drive around and then let's see where we're gonna go. We're gonna come back to the Kuta, guys, that's for sure. So relax. Don't you worry. I know for many people favorite part of Bali is Kuta, but Bali have also many other various areas what is worth to show, right?
Yeah, but I think that you know, the flight yesterday from Sydney, basically all the passengers have to be quarantined, right, for 3 days, 2 nights if they are fully vaxxed.
No, yeah, fully vaxxed or triple vaxxed. No.
Yeah, with the boosters.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think that most of them, they are still quarantined in Nusadowa. That's why we decided, I think, we go to Nusadowa, yeah?
Yeah, let's have a drive. I used to work in Nusadowa last time. Let's have a drive a little bit. Driving is like you have a, drive with us. I like when you guys say English. It's like I'm driving next to you on the passenger side. It's kinda like that, I could say. Also, making a live stream driving is slightly easier for us, to be honest, especially for me, because last time when I used to work 2 hours in summer, I was really tired.
Yeah.
It's hot, it's heat. Anyway, they're doing some reconstruction of the roundabout for the G20.
This one. I think that because of the G20, they what is it called? They republished many things, right? They want to make it a really good image. Okay, here we go. This is the, what is it called?
Toll road.
Toll road. Oh.
The only one proper motorway in Bali, and also is paid.
Oh, look at that! There is a flight.
Where?
Coming.
Oh yeah, the plane is coming, guys. Here we go. Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. I hope that's you guys.
I think this is the domestic flight.
Yeah.
But it is.
What flight is it?
Batik Air.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Batik Air.
Yeah.
Or Lion Air, I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, now we are
entering the toll road.
Okay, let's see. You need to have a special card, guys.
Yeah, you have to have a special card.
And then the price for the car passing the toll road nowadays is around 13k.
13k. Now it's a little bit higher, yeah. And motorbike is 4 or 5k. Yeah. But they don't accept cash anymore, so remember to have a special toll card.
Yeah, so make sure you have a special toll card whenever you want to pass the toll road. Oh.
Very important. And toll road, motorway is kind of quiet, I could say, currently.
Oopsie. Yeah. Okay, so have you ever passed the toll road, guys? Yeah. So this is how the situation nowadays in the toll road, and in front of us, basically that's the Benua port that is going to be the biggest port that the government built.
Yeah,
in Bali.
Port.
Yeah.
Or harbor.
Yeah.
However you call it.
Okay. Are we checking around or something? I don't know. I feel like
That's how it is.
All right. So we are on the way to the Nusadowa.
This is the fastest, the easiest way to get to Nusadowa. But sometimes, especially long time ago, I just opened drink for myself. It's actually quite hard to talk. So sorry guys, cheers.
Okay, so here is the road to go to Nusadowa.
Yeah, road to Nusadowa, also very interesting thing what I remember from the past. Many taxi drivers, they didn't ride you directly to Nusadowa using this road. They prefer to go by Jimbaran around over there. There are two reasons why they was doing like that. Reason number one was that as they didn't want to pay 13k for the for the ticket to the toll road. But the reason number two, especially if you was taking the taxi, what was counting, per kilometer, as there was like, they take you longer. That's how it was, and
that's how it is, the business transportation, I can say. Yeah, but yeah.
That was the past. Now it's different.
Yeah, and the thing is that nowadays they even put garden. I mean, like small garden. I mean, like they plant the trees on the toll road. You see, on the left, on the right side there are new trees. Basically, all it is for the G20 conference, just to make a good look.
Yeah, the toll road much looks better than it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is quite long ride. I hope so it's not too boring for you guys, but you can enjoy the view of landscape of Uluwatu, Nusadowa in general, peninsula.
Yeah.
Sorry for the shakiness, but the road actually is a little bit bumpy here.
Yeah.
Oh, see, they're making still something like painting or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I think that they're still painting the wall. It's just like, you know, they just want to beautify the road.
That's correct. Nearly already.
Yeah.
Also, you can see the Benoa on the other side.
Yeah. So this one is the Benoa. I think that once we were there, right? That's the Tanjung Benoa. And
Yeah.
then the mangrove forest.
And also the charter sanctuary, but on the more far, you cannot see directly from the motorway. But yeah, this is also from the far. How does it look? The gate where you pay, also very Balinese style architecture.
Yeah.
This was a little refurbished, so it shouldn't be very bumpy, but
still I can feel bumpy. Yeah.
yeah, so yeah, that's how it is. Yeah. Also interesting fact, a long time ago when they opened it, I think they opened in something like 2014 or 2012, 2014. There was somebody rich driving Lamborghini and he crashed on this motorway because it was too bumpy and he was thinking he can drive faster and suddenly he jumped a little bit and crashed. That was, you can find this on the news somewhere, just
Yeah, this is how the road construction in Indonesia. Okay.
okay.
All right. So we almost arrived at the end of the toll road. You see, there are so many billboards actually about the G20 conference, and then yeah, we are preparing for the G20 conference. Oh, right in front of us is the blue bird taxi.
And this is the original Bluebird taxi actually. Always remember guys, Bluebird taxi have a light blue car with the
Yeah,
Bluebird
but
sign.
I think that the Bluebird now they also open for online. It's just like Gojek or it's just like the Grab. Also they have
Yes.
an online application. So yeah.
But anyway, if you are not sure if it's proper, they have like a VVN number, like 3-digit number, so that's the proper.
That's the code. The code, yeah.
Yeah, the license of the taxi or something like that. Anyway, this is like legit one. But you can order online and will be fine. You just download the app on your smartphone.
Yeah. Okay, so on the right side, while we are waiting for the green light, red light is just like a Squid Game. Okay,
Green light.
so on the right side is used to be the Hardee's Nusadowa. Unfortunately, Hardee's company gone bankruptcy. It's just like Hardee's in Sanur, guys.
But
So-
Hardee's in Sanur is still open, but this one in Nusadowa, unfortunately.
Yeah, I think that somebody already take over the, what is it called, the investment, right? But here, unfortunately, still closed. Okay, so we go to Nusadowa.
We go to Nusadowa, but we're gonna go into Uluwatu direction, and we're gonna come back from straight. There are 3 ways actually how you can enter the Nusadowa.
You can go straight or you can turn right.
Or even left, yes, you can go. So we don't wanna passing 2 times the same road, so we're gonna show you from the right. And also at the same time, this is the way going to Uluwatu from Nusadowa if you are interested.
And yeah, I can see that nowadays on the left and on the right side is the road construction. I think that they are building the new pavement for the walking path.
Yeah, for the pedestrians, yeah.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah, obviously during the G20 will be so much very important people passing by. So
You see the symbol of Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum. So they are preparing, they're really working for preparing the pedestrian, you know, for the G20.
Yeah, basically right now in Bali, especially in the area of airport and Nusadowa, everything is basically regarding preparation for the G20, right?
Yeah.
So which G20 gonna be in the end of October this year, 2020. We used to talk about that in the few months ago about that. If you would like to know more about that, but yeah.
Okay, so if you turn right, you can go to Uluwatu.
Yes, if you go right, all these people are actually going to Uluwatu. I believe they're going to some of the beaches like Melasti or Pandava. This is like a little bit a junction where everybody wants to go.
Yeah.
There is no traffic lights, and in the junctions in Bali where there is no traffic lights, it's kinda hard to drive, I could say, because everybody wants to be first. There is no rule of the right or left side, but yeah, doesn't really matter. That's how it is. Anyway, this is like a road going to Nusadowa, also to Mercure Nusadowa, and the hotels like.
Oh, this is the road also going to Kempinski, Nusadowa.
Yeah, fancy hotel like
Fancy
Kempinski,
hotel.
St. Regis,
St. Regis.
and a few others.
I think that's Carlton also.
Ritz-Carlton, Samabe Villas. Also, there is the brand new Renaissance
In
by
Nusadowa.
Marriott. Somewhere here is the
You
entrance.
see on the left, on the right side, you see they are preparing for the pedestrian for the G20 conference.
Yeah, also the Nusadowa is probably one of the best place in Bali for pedestrians actually. Sanur and Nusadowa, right? There is really like nice walkways, paths, and yeah, they put in quite a lot of work.
Yeah. So on the right, guys, this is a Renaissance Nusadowa. I think that's the brand new hotel.
The brand new, they opened before Christmas, actually for Christmas. It's about price range of about $200 American per night, 150. Kind of brand new hotel. Never been inside, but I was seeing this on the somewhere on the internet. They trying to advertise. Anyway, this is the entrance to Nusadowa. This is the famous Coco Mart, popular.
Coco Mart in Nusadowa. Yeah, so we will go straight, right, honey?
Yeah, we're gonna go straight. This is straight to Nusadowa BTDC.
Yeah.
But
so
if you go, where is this the cars going? To there will be the hotels like Kempinski and stuff like this.
And also there on the right, they will go to Pantai Geger.
Yeah. Also you can get to the Pantai Geger, right?
You see, this one is the area, the street that is normally it's just like the shopping center outside of the BTDC Nusadowa complex. You see like selling the restaurant, you see on the right, on the left, spa.
Used to be very busy area also, guys. Really actually used to be very busy. Many restaurants here. Basically, if you were staying in the hotels there and you wanted to go somewhere else than the hotel and the Bali collection, you just could come here. There was like restaurants like in Sanur, I could say, like local. Anyway, this is already the entrance to the BTDC closed complex of the hotels in Nusadowa. Beautiful statues. There's so many hotels, but first of all, we're gonna go to the public beach in Nusadowa because I used to vlog here a few times and many people ask me how to get to this beach. So here we go, guys. This is the entrance. You just basically
This is
follow.
the public beach, which is called Pantai Mengkiat, yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah, this one.
So basically, you walk between two hotels. Iodia on the right.
On
And
the left is the Merusaka Hotel.
yeah, ex-Inaya Putri. So now all government's hotels have a name starting something with Meru.
Yeah.
Like here is Merusaka in Nusadowa. Also in Komodo Island there is Meru something. I'm not sure actually, but
Okay, so here is Pantai Mengkiat. If you bring your own car, it's just like the parking costs you 5K.
5K.
Suksama beli.
Thank you. Actually, I'm just doing the U-turn, so I shouldn't, but it's little support for the parking people. Yes. Anyway, you can park your car actually quite busy on this beach.
Wow, so we can actually Pantai Manggiat is quite busy, huh?
Quite busy. This is the beach. But we are today only driving, so we just wanted to show you exactly where is it, how is it. And we are going back to Nusadowa, exploring a little bit. Also look at these foreigners walking with the coffee.
Oh, the warung or the restaurant is open.
Oh, they have a binta. Coffee. Many surfers actually coming here.
Yeah, because the beach in Nusadowa is very clean, honey. You know, white sand beach.
Yeah. As you see tourists coming, this is actually... many people are saying as the beach in Nusadowa is like, I don't know,
Commercial beach, something like
commercial
that.
beach, but actually during this current situation is one of the
Cleanest beach in Bali. I mean, like white sand beach. Yeah, the cleanest beach after Uluwatu, right?
yeah, actually yeah, if you are coming, you want to have a beach access but closer, I mean, like, yeah, this is the best beach.
Yeah, so maybe a long time ago they don't really want to go to Nusadowa beach because belongs to the hotel, and then public access maybe is limited, something like that. You have to consume in the hotel, but nowadays you are just going to the Pantai Manggiat. It's just like the public beach. You can enjoy the white sand beach.
Okay, so now we're gonna show you around many of your also favorite hotels around. So we're gonna try from the beginning till the end. So right now on the left it's gonna be Iodia Hotel, very popular hotel by the way, used to be very popular.
Yeah, this one on the left is the Iodia Hotel. I think that, you know,
this is Novotel at the
this
front.
is Novotel Nusadowa.
We're taking a little bit U-turn. This is the entrance to the
Courtyard. This one Courtyard Marriott Nusadowa.
We used to vlog there, stay during the Christmas, I think 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So
let's go to another side of the hotel.
yeah. Also Nusadowa is very clean and looks very they're really taking care of this place. It's already not super new. They built this in 1990s, I think, end of 1990s. But
yeah, they really maintain it. That's why, you know, like when you stay in Nusadowa, the price is very expensive because they expect, you know, like you pay the tax and you pay everything just to make this area still looks maintained, well maintained.
yeah, but also when during the G20, all of the meetings and the people will stay in this area, right?
Okay, so guys, on the right side is the world famous shopping center, which is called Bali Collection. I don't know whether Bali Collection is open.
Bali Collection Mall is open. I used to vlog there a few weeks ago, but there is no...
Most of the shop are closed, right?
95% of the mall is closed. There is only, at that time was Starbucks only open and up pharmacy shop and I think that's it. And one clothes shop. There was not even one restaurant open at that time.
Okay, so on the left is the Bimc Hospital, Nusadowa. So this is quite, you know, like close complex, which is they have a hospital inside, they have a 5-star resort, they also have a mall inside. So that's why the Nusadowa is very exclusive. On the right is the Westin. I think that the Westin also nowadays part of the quarantine hotel, something like that.
Part of the quarantine hotel.
Yeah.
This is the
famous roundabout of
okay, we're gonna
Nusadowa.
have a spin around the roundabout because the roundabout is actually really nice. Unfortunately, you are not allowed to fly drone in Nusadowa.
Yeah.
But long time ago was many people making joggings here and like, you know, generally enjoying their afternoons or mornings.
Yeah. Okay, so now we will out from the Nusadowa.
Yeah, we're gonna go out. Unfortunately, the sun is actually facing a little bit directly us, so everything is a little darkish. Sorry about that, but that's normal. This is the main entrance to Nusadowa, or exit at the same time.
The main gate.
Yeah,
the
the
big
main
gate. Iconic of the Nusadowa. Yeah. Okay, so when you are out from Nusadowa, this also famous. This area you see on the left, on the right side is the famous for the local shop, which selling the, you know, like souvenirs, also the restaurant, tattoos, spa. That is, I think that the price is much cheaper than inside the hotel.
Yeah, definitely. Or at least used to be, because now it's unfortunately still closed, right?
Yeah.
Let's even
Okay. So.
little traffic. Also the first money changer outside the Bali collection, with obviously a little bit better rates. However, many people asking about the money changer and their current rates. So basically, American dollar in Bali right now it's 13.450, but reality is 14.450. So all the rates are lower, about 1,000 rupiah, to compare to the, you know, like official rate globally. This is probably because of low demand as well. Many money changers went into bankruptcy, by the way. So
Yeah. So yeah, like on the left, on the right side, I can see that the business that now is growing, which is the business of the test.
oh yeah, the best business in Bali right now is facilities for making the tests. You know for what tests?
Yeah.
There is so many of them everywhere, actually, on every corner.
Yeah, I think that every 100 meters or 500 meters there will be like a special post or special clinic for taking the test.
Yeah, definitely there is no really big problem to find a place to make a test yourself.
It's easy actually in Bali to make a test. Well, I think that last time we've got friends who were in the Raja Ampat, right, honey? And then this lady was got difficulty actually to take the test to fly back to Bali, right? But in Bali, it's no worries, you know, like easy to take test. Like every 100 meters, 500 meters, there will be one clinic. If you don't want to go to the big hospital, you know.
Yeah, that's for sure. Or even you can do it in the airport. It's totally no problem right now. In Bali, right? In big cities in general will be no problem, especially in Java Island and Sumatra. But especially if you will travel to very remote areas like, I don't know, maybe Papua Island, Sumba, maybe Timor West, West Timor, there may be a little bit difficulties, but even not many local people traveling into these directions, right? So,
Yeah.
so it's different. It's red light, guys, so stay with us. Don't switch off the live stream, guys.
Red light,
Green
you
light.
have to stop. When it's green light, you have to go.
That's very smart saying what you're saying actually right now.
Yeah, because somehow that, you know, we can see also on the street that when it's already red light.
Green light.
Okay, oh, green light, right? Okay.
Sometimes people driving on the red light. That's true. That's confident fact. Especially this junction is quite dangerous, but we are not talking about that today.
Okay, so this is like what I told you guys, COVID. See, this one, easy lah to find. And on the left side here is also famous Chinese restaurant. Unfortunately, it's closed. Yeah.
Yeah, Nusadowa actually was very popular for the Chinese tourists.
Yeah.
But, well, there is no tourists at all in Bali right now, almost at all. But even
it used to be, you know, like Chinese group tourists. Okay, so now we will go straight. We will go to the Jimbaran area, right, honey?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Jimbaran area right now. We're gonna show you everything around actually. We're gonna go to Jimbaran, we're gonna have a little spin around Jimbaran, and then we're gonna go to Kuta, that's for sure. Like I promised at the beginning, we're gonna go to Kuta, maybe Legian even, let's see. Let's see how it's gonna be. One more time, I'm so sorry for the potentially darkish screen right now.
Yeah, just because, you know, the sun.
Yeah, so it's not that easy in filming, especially in the Southeast Asia, especially as the, you know, the sun here is different position than in Europe or in Australia or in America. We are only 80 degrees below the, what is it called?
Equator line.
Equator line.
Okay, guys, we also would like to remind you to put your biggest like.
Exactly, guys. Big thumb up, guys. This is totally for free costumes, totally nothing, takes you 1 second only to do it, but it's super helpful for us. You know, that's not the secret. If you put big thumb up, in general, thumbs up, that means as you enjoyed this video and the YouTube is reading this as this video is nice. Even if you enjoy it, but you're not gonna put big thumb up, YouTube is not the, he have no feelings, you know. This is all about the numbers and the algorithm. So, well, that's how it is.
Okay. Oh, it's very hot. Sunny day today. It's on the weekend. Okay. Yeah, this area, especially, you know, like in between, this one is still, it's already Jimbaran, right? Like after airport. This area is also famous for the 3-star hotel, like on the right side. 3-star hotel, city hotel. You know,
yeah, 3-star hotels. There will be also big junction where it's like KFC, McDonald's, and many other things. Also, so many residential areas around. Many people living in Jimbaran actually. The cost of the properties in Jimbaran are actually the cheapest. One of the cheapest in the South Bali. Well, of course, in North Bali will be cheaper, but if we are talking about South Bali, Jimbaran is actually the properties are the cheapest, definitely cheaper than in Sanur or in Canggu or in Seminyak or in Uluwatu, because Uluwatu properties are quite expensive due to the, you know, construction is hard because of the dry and the hard to get the water, and also usually is the ocean view. But Jimbaran is like, I don't know, it's like big residential area.
yeah, I think so. You see, like on the left side, the road construction due to the G20 still.
There is still also somebody have a nice Mercedes at the front.
Okay, so if you turn left here, guys, this one is the intersection, right? So if you turn left here, I think this is also the famous area for the residential, you know, like the residential in Jimbaran. You see on the right is the pizza, Domino Pizza, and also shopping center, this one that I told you. This one is the residential area.
Yeah, but also many shops, like you know, like even at the front will be the Ace Hardware and like cellular shops. Like, you know, this is little bit like Teukumar in Denpasar actually, but between Jimbaran and Nusadowa, like closer. You can even, if you are living in Kuta, like, it's actually closer to come here than going to Denpasar. But yeah. Also there is Infinity Hotel, big hotel here.
Yeah,
it's
just like I
4.
told you, this area, you know, it's also famous for the 3-star hotel. I think that the hotel like transit hotel, right, honey?
Yeah, kind of transit hotels, city hotels. Yeah, because well, I don't know actually what's the purpose of staying in this area. Well, it's not Nusadowa, it's not Jimbaran oceanfront, or it's not Uluwatu. It's like city center, so it's like city hotel or transit hotel. Yeah, definitely not holiday hotel. I mean, I don't know anyone who used to stay here for 2 weeks for holidays, right?
Yeah. Okay. So this is the famous junction of Nusadowa. You're gonna straight or right, honey?
We're gonna go straight deep
Okay.
inside the city. Let's show a little bit. Jimbaran, this is also very difficult junction, guys, by the way. Unfortunately, we stuck on the red light.
Actually, I can say confusing junction. You see?
It's very
How
confusing
many
junction.
roads actually? 1, 2. In the front, 1, 2, 3, 4,
There's actually double lane.
5 double lane, and I don't know.
It's complicated actually because, well, check this out. How's the people driving? And I remember there was like a broken traffic lights here, and imagine everybody goes straight. That was like very bad. I mean, like very complicated, little bit like in the like, and yeah, you can enjoy the view of the people playing on the phones on the red lights.
Yeah, so on the left side you see the sign Universitas Udayana. So on the left side is the big campus of Universitas Udayana University. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, yeah, you are right, in Jimbaran there's so many universities in Bali actually, yeah.
Yeah, I used to go there because my brother is also teaching there. Yeah. So this is how it is in the intersection of Jimbaran. You see, I don't know, like for me it's very confusing.
It's even more confusing if you go to McDonald's and you wanna exit then or entry, because there is like complicated then, because nobody will let you in, so you have to push yourself to get to the traffic.
Okay, so we go to Jimbaran. Basically, like, you know, Jimbaran is famous for the fish market and also seafood restaurant. So for those of you maybe who used to stay in Nusadowa and wants to have a fish, wants to have a seafood, you normally go to Jimbaran. Okay.
Yeah, popular destination if you stay for the Nusadowa, that's for sure. So you have to pass this road. That's also is definitely. We used to vlog so many times. All right, here we go, and now people going there, but we go straight. See, it's not easy, like I said.
Oh my God.
But it's okay. We make it safely.
Lucky that you drive, not me drive.
Of course, that's why I'm driving, not you.
Oh my goodness.
That's what it is.
Okay.
Anyway, there used to be many city hotels, actually, very like 2-3 star hotels, also transit hotels, and also like a big Polo Ralph shop.
Shopping center also here, guys. If you like to shopping Polo Ralph here in Jimbaran, and also many restaurants. On the left side also many locals warung.
Yeah, many local. We were actually somewhere in this area to filming the Makan Cantik last week, right? 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, you see the road construction. The road construction also going to Jimbaran.
Yeah, I think this part of the Bali have some sort of budget
for the, you know, make it beauty.
Make it
Make
beautiful.
it beautiful. Just like the ladies in Kuta said, beautiful. Okay, so this one, maybe that later on the guests from the G20, do you think that they're gonna walk in Jimbaran? That's why they, make the pavement here. What is it called? Walking path, more beauty or something.
I will ask you different question. You are local, right?
I will never ever walk.
Exactly. Do you know? Do you know many people walking here in general in Bali? Nobody walk. Everybody drive. Only I walk sometimes if I'm making live stream walking. But after that, I also drive everywhere. There's no people walking in general. And it's super hot, guys. This is actually what I was talking about. Bali is very hot, but also what is the bigger problem is humid in Bali. It's so high.
Yeah, so I prefer just to take my motorbike, you know, like scooting around, driving around, rather than I walk.
Exactly, definitely.
Yeah, you see, like they making the pedestrian, I don't know, until here to the Jimbaran. So,
Yeah, they're making. It was like a little shopping center, and now we are going to Jimbaran city center, I could say.
yeah. Okay, so here, if you turn left, you will go to Uluwatu, but we are not going to Uluwatu.
We're going right.
We are going to the right. Oopsie, sorry.
Sorry, the road sometimes is bumpy a little bit.
Okay, so here we go. So if you turn left before, you will go to Samasta Hotels. This one is Jalan, the road to go to Jimbaran, Pantai Muaya, Kedonganan. You see on the left, Pantai Jimbaran.
Yeah, so usually when we vlog in Jimbaran by the beach, we go by this road going left.
Yeah, Pantai Muaya, Jimbaran.
Also, there is the Legian Hotel. And Jimbaran is Jimbaran. It's popular for the beach and the seafood, but also you can find the Starbucks here. So many like barbers, like shops, stuff like this. Also in Jimbaran there is only one Harley Davidson official shop. It's also in Jimbaran.
Yeah, okay guys, so on the left side here, the green area here is basically Intercontinental Hotel. Well, the 5-star hotel in Jimbaran area, if I'm not mistaken, they are 4-season hotel, and then Intercontinental Hotel is just like this. And what else, honey?
There are a few smaller hotels.
And also, I think that there is one Raffles Hotel. Also,
yeah, they open now the Raffles, and there is like Movenpick. This is the Harley Davidson, what I mentioned before. Also, if you interested to driving Harley in Bali, there was the popular Coco Mart, but it's closed.
I think that all the Coco Mart supermarket is going bankruptcy.
Yeah,
right?
all the supermarkets of Coco Mart, they went into bankruptcy almost.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they couldn't handle it. Pepito Group is okay, but Coco Marts for some reason.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the Jimbaran area. I think this is where the residential area, right? Where the locals also living here.
Yeah, Jimbaran in general is very close to the airport. This is the first city to the airport, but from the south, right? Southeast. But for some reason it's still very local. Like you see so many warungs, like local warungs you can find on the street. This is like driving through the center of Kuta, but so many local warungs, like shops. It's totally different than Kuta or any other part. It's still very local. There is like at night it's like a street food market here. They're preparing right now because it's obviously around 5 o'clock. So it's very local. Many people like it. There's Fox Hotel here.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I had a friend who actually used to live here for a few months.
Yeah, this one is Kraton Beach Resort. Yeah, I think that there are some resort like in the Jimbaran area, in Pantai Jimbaran, especially like a beachfront resort. Okay, this one on the left is also the road to go to Pantai Kedonganan or Pantai Jimbaran. And on the right side, this one is the local traditional market. when it's morning time, it used to be, when the shops are open, used to be busy.
Yeah, but Jimbaran is kind of like not as that much is happening also at the same time, right? It's like,
yeah, if you ask me where do you choose to live, either Jimbaran or Sanur, I prefer to live in Sanur.
yeah, but like I already mentioned, the reason maybe why some people deciding to stay in Jimbaran is that as the properties here are cheap. So let's say if a 3-bedroom villa or 2-bedroom villa in Sanur for a year will cost you around 130 million per year, here you can find already starting from 70 million per year. So 100 million in Jimbaran or 130 in Sanur. So that's maybe why some people would like to stay in Jimbaran, and I think it's also a very interesting fact to tell you because maybe some of you would be interested. And this is still very local vibe, close to the tourist center, I could say.
Yeah. Okay, so here is the life in Jimbaran area. Oh wait, this is already Kedonganan, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, but in general, it's still Jimbaran, right?
Yeah. So, are we going straight or turn right, honey?
We're going straight, yeah. Let's go straight. We're gonna go close to the airport. Also, gonna show you the big.
Oh my goodness, this car wanna turn right, but he's staying on the left.
Yeah, this is like, and this was the taxi driver. You could believe as taxi drivers they know how to drive in Bali, right?
Oh dear.
It seems like not all of them.
Okay, so here is Kedonganan area still.
So in simple words, this is Jimbaran, but very close to the airport, and it's very local actually part.
Yeah.
This is little bit like no, it's not even like Tuban in Kuta. It's more local actually. There is not many guest houses or not many hotels.
Yeah, you see that on the left, on the right side, there are so many local shops selling many things.
Many things.
Food vendors,
But
warungs.
But this is like literally 1 kilometers from the airport. So it's very close to the airport, and you could think as here will be very tourist area, right? Like will be the mall, there will be the hotels, but for some reason it's become very local. Actually stay very local. It was always local, but till now stayed very very local vibe, very local area.
Okay. Yeah. I think the life here is really chill. People they are chill by the street, driving chill, relax.
Yeah, if I driving here right now, the vibe is little bit like somewhere in North Bali, little bit.
Okay, so now we turn left or turn right?
Going back to Kuta right now, so
Okay.
going right.
Yeah, so if we turn left, there will be the famous, what is it called, Kedonganan seafood market, but we are not going there. Now we are going back to the area of the airport.
That's right, area for the airport, and we're gonna go to Kuta. I'm gonna show you the Kuta today.
Yeah.
Kuta Legian is still time. Some of you may be more interested than Jimbaran. However,
Yeah.
so you enjoyed already about 1 hour of today's live stream.
Yeah, I don't think that there is no quarantine hotel in Jimbaran, right?
No.
I think that mostly the quarantine hotels are in Nusadowa, Sanur, Ubud, and Kuta. And there is no quarantine hotel in Canggu. Okay guys, so here is the main road to go to the airport. So you see on the left and on the right side here is the, what is it called? The area of the airport.
Yeah,
You
this
see
is
that the
actually
gate,
the
you see?
airport here.
The gate to the airport. I mean, the closed gate.
Yeah, the plane's actually landing here, exactly in this point. And this is the roundabout where we started, actually.
Yeah. So there is also underground. So I think that this is the, I think new, yeah, honey, 3 years ago.
Yeah, in
4 years
2018,
ago?
I think
Yeah.
they finished.
Yeah,
Before.
that's the one of the solution for the government for the traffic.
And that actually was a very good idea,
Yeah.
because I remember previously there was like, especially where was construction, there was huge roundabout and there was very, very big traffic and it was so hard to drive.
Okay, so now we are back to the road where the airport.
Actually, we back to the place where we started.
But our vlog is not finished yet, guys. Now,
Exactly.
please follow us again. We will go to the Kuta area. You see, if you go straight the airport or bandara, but we turn right. This one is Kuta area, Tuban area.
Exactly. We're actually starting from Tuban, going to Kuta. Well, Kuta Tuban is actually by many people called the same, but it's actually two different towns.
Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, Tuban is, they said, yeah, not me said, but now I can say that Tuban, they said it's famous for the backpackers. I mean, they said long time ago, because there are so many cheap hotels, like 3-star hotel, guest house, so just like transit hotels. So yeah, they said like that long time ago. Okay, Krishna oleh-oleh on the left, on the right. So this is the oleh-oleh center. I think that whenever you want to buy oleh-oleh before you, going to the airport. I'm not promoting Krishna oleh-oleh though. So there is one here. Okay, so
yeah, this is Tuban.
this is Tuban area.
They're also building the hospital somewhere here, the brand new. But we are gonna go now to, well, we're gonna go left now. We're gonna go to the area where is the already Kuta Lipo Mall direction and stuff like this.
Oh yeah, this one is the brand new hospital, Murni Teguh Hospital. Yeah. But we will go turn left here. Yeah. So this is the area, Tuban area, that is still locals vibe. You see on the left side, there are so many warungs. On the right side, there are 3-star hotels. You know.
Yeah, but this area of Tuban already is kind of tourists area, already touristy. There is already mall, Park 23.
Yeah.
This is actually kind of funny. I never been in this mall inside. Yeah. I live here already many years, but I never been inside. Actually, this mall, but yeah, maybe some of you were there. You can say, I think this is kind of older mall.
Yeah, you see on the left side, this one 3-star hotel with the local vibes around. I mean, local shop.
A local shop, like there was the shop where you can change the wheels, for example, buy your rims. But seems like a Gojek driver also, don't looking left, don't looking right, just driving straight without thinking. Maybe the sun is strong, that's why he cannot see properly, right?
Yeah.
At least he delivering safely.
Okay, so I think that one supermarket here.
Yeah, Pepito is here already actually. So that means as a lot of foreigners living here, especially the expats. And this Pepito is actually quite busy whenever I stop here in the current situation. In simple words, that must be really quite a lot of expats who are living in Kuta area. They living here because there's also so many villas and houses.
Yeah, so you see that we also pass many guest houses. Like I told you, this area is famous like 3-star hotels, guest houses. I don't know, that no wonder people, what is it called? People call this one as the backpackers area in Tuban.
Yeah, I think this building at the front, the big one,
Yeah.
is one of them.
Yeah, but I feel like this area is just the mix, mix of the people. Okay, if you turn left, you will go to the airport, right? If we go straight, we will go to the area of Kuta.
Yeah, area of Kuta, and already tourist area of Kuta, so many restaurants and hotels. The Lipo Mall. You can go to the beach, German beach over here if you go left.
Yeah, let's go to German beach, but we will turn right.
Yeah.
This one is the area, it's called Jalan Kartika Plaza, the famous area for the hotels close by the airport.
This is the church, also Catholic church, if you will be interested.
Yeah.
And
this one
Lipo
also,
Mall.
this one,
Yeah, Lipo Mall.
Mall in Kuta.
We used to vlog here many times. Actually, I used to go this small street here very often. There's Bak Pao guy, Bak Pao.
Yeah. Okay, so here's like what I told you. See, there are many resort, Bintang Kuta Hotel, also 3-star hotel here, Grand Ixoram. Yeah, if you see also here on the left is the Anfaya, on the right, I don't know what's the name of the hotel.
Yeah, but in general,
3-star, 5 stars hotel in the area of the Kartika, Jalan Kartika Plaza.
And obviously you're heading now into direction of Discovery Kartika Plaza Mall and Kuta Square, and in general to Kuta. Used to be very busy area, by the way. Yeah, of course, before current situation was really busy and really alive.
Yeah, you see, massage shop, tattoo shop.
And technically this is still Kuta Tuban actually.
Yeah.
And this is already Kartika Plaza Hotel.
Yeah, this one Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel.
And the Discovery Shopping Mall.
Discovery Shopping.
Unfortunately, the mall is struggling a little bit right now.
I think that this is the mall that is the most struggle nowadays.
Yeah, it's struggling quite a lot. As you see, actually very empty. Also, this is the Waterboom and the Bamboo restaurant. Waterboom is actually open, guys. Let me know if you would like to see Waterboom inside. Maybe I cannot swim actually.
But we can go inside and playing in the water. I like playing in the water even I cannot swim.
Maybe you can take your nephew with you.
Okay, so here is
big parking area, but nobody know actually why it's like that.
Yeah.
And we are heading now direction very close to the Kuta Square, and also was so many restaurants here already. Used to be. And at the front gonna be so many restaurants, like a seafood restaurants, like a huge one, Chinese restaurants. This one I think it was Indian sport bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one is already popular spot here, with this huge restaurants, Chinese seafood, a lot of. But all of them they are still closed, unfortunately. That means still is no mass tourists come back. Obviously, right? But hopefully one day soon.
Okay, so now we are heading to Kuta Square, the world famous Kuta Square.
World famous. Actually, yeah, it was world famous. Yes. I remember it. Okay, we've used to vlog here many times, but also I remember once you told me when you was small child, and if your parents took you to Kuta Square, it was like, wow. Like was the center, right?
Yeah.
And actually here is quite a little busier, little traffic even today. Check this out.
On the weekend.
It's actually, you see, also like we said, world famous because obviously it's busier than previous places where we showed you today.
Yeah, and also the Matahari here. This one used to be the world famous Matahari shop, selling you cheaper products.
Actually, somebody told me a long time ago that was the good quality product, but then they suddenly start changing into cheaper product. But I don't know. Currently was cheap products and it's gone. Unfortunately, went into bankruptcy. At least here in Kuta.
In Kuta, but in the Denpasar city center, yeah, there is one still exists. Okay.
And this is world famous KFC. Not paid endorsement. We are not promoting anyone's, but I heard lots of stories on hangover. Many people used to come here because it was open 24/7.
Yeah.
And that was also good to having hangover chicken.
Chicken and nasi.
Also interesting fact, in Bali, in Asia, especially in Indonesia, you go to McDonald's or KFC and you can buy chicken and nasi, chicken rice. Not chicken with French fries, but chicken rice.
Yeah, you also can get French fries.
Of course you can.
Okay, on the right side is Jamie Oliver and Hard Rock Hotel on the right side. And on the left side, here is the Grand Ina Kuta Hotel.
And big
I
bus.
think this one is the busiest hotel. I mean, like mostly occupied in the Kuta area. And this one in front of me, the world famous Pantai Kuta Gate.
World famous gate, and literally world famous, because if you're gonna type Kuta in Google, you will see this picture. Even I post on my Instagram picture of Kuta Gate, and this picture will go viral for some reason. It was just average picture.
Okay, so on the left also you see that the parking in the Kuta beach, and then if I'm not mistaken, a long time ago, I don't know, few months ago, Kuta beach was also, there is a big wall that is block the Kuta beach. But now I think that they already demolished the wall, yeah, honey?
Yeah, they demolished already actually. Well, there was so much controversy actually about this blockage of this gate actually. Many people was comparing this to the Berlin Wall, and that was foreigner, local people comparing that, and that was like not really.
Okay, so here is the famous Poppy's Lane on the right side. Yeah, this one is Kuta Bex Hotel. I remember that this hotel is famous with the sexy chicks. Okay, this one.
Honey, what are you talking about?
Welcome to the Poppy's one. You see, so many hotels.
And during the weekend, it's actually kind of busy here, I could say.
Yeah. We're stuck in the traffic here.
We stuck in the traffic in 2022.
Yeah, because this one is the road to go to the world famous Beach Walk Mall. And I think that among the malls in Bali, Beach Walk is the busiest mall.
The busiest mall, but also at the same time, if you're looking to buy something, especially from certain brand, you have to go here. Otherwise, you're not gonna find anywhere elsewhere. So
yeah, it's just like imported brand.
I don't know, simple things like you wanna buy Ray-Bans, you have to come here, or I don't know, any other product like Nike shoe, for example, right?
Okay, so many restaurants are open, maybe because of the weekend.
Yeah, weekend is also quite different than midweek, right? It's slightly busier on the weekend. Also, many local people coming to even to the mall during the weekend.
Yeah. And on the right side, this one is the Seratan Hotels. I don't know, is this hotel belong to the quarantine hotel?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. And because I read also like some Kuta hotels used for the quarantine hotel. Okay, this one is the Tony Romas.
Yeah, but this is already the one of the entrance to the Beach Walk Mall next to Zara. And well, this was a weekend, so obviously busy. But also I just realized, look at the registration, BWB. So that's all the local domestic tourists from different islands of Indonesia, obviously. So, well, that was the little bit holiday week, I could
because
say.
This one is the long holiday, the long weekend, I can say that, because previously it was a Nyepi holidays, right?
Yeah, Bali Nyepi holidays, but also in Indonesia in general was some sort of holiday also, right? So some people take day off additionally for the long weekend.
Yeah, so
you
this
could
is how the traffic and how busy the street on the weekend.
Yeah, it's actually kind of unbelievable as we stuck in the traffic jam, right? I mean, I don't mind now stucking in the traffic jam. I used to drive here like, you know.
You see, even that in the shopping center, in the beach walk, almost all the seats are taken.
Well,
Wow,
especially in the Starbucks and this Italian restaurant.
Yeah, all the seats are taken, and also you see the park here is full.
Yeah, with the motorbike. Actually, I used to
Motorbike.
vlog here a few days ago, and it was definitely much more quieter than it's today. Oh, they have a ogo at the front as well.
And yeah,
Yeah, little traffic, guys. Don't switch off the video yet. We're gonna come back to the normal track.
yeah.
Don't you
So
worry.
here is the famous beach walk. Yeah. So make sure whenever you want to enter the mall, you have to have the Peduli Lindungi apps on your phone.
Yeah. But I think now everywhere around the world is some sort of apps if you wanna enter. Actually, I don't know how is it in Europe right now. Maybe if you are guys coming from Europe, you could let me know. But as I know, in Asia, everywhere.
Or even look at the traffic to go to the mall. Oh my goodness. But we are not going to the mall today, guys. We just showing you the road, the main street in the Kuta. Yeah. So the servers are back on business. And yeah.
And yeah, this is how it is.
You see on the right side, checkpoint. Checkpoint for the test, I mean. Like I told you, it's very easy peasy to find the clinic for the test in Bali. It's not like my friend told us when she was in the Raja Ampat, Papua. Okay.
And also the tests are cheaper now, even to compare to the few months half year ago when I used to travel to Jakarta.
Okay, so on the right side here is the world famous Jalan Benesari. But we didn't go there now. And we're just showing you how is the big main street in Kuta.
Yeah, I think on the live stream we're gonna focus on the main streets today. I think we're gonna go to Legian. We still have a little time. It's still a while till sunset. It's gonna be dark, so I hope so you guys enjoy. Don't forget to about that big thumb up, guys. This is the area of the Stones Pullman hotels.
Yeah.
Also very popular. This is actually already Legian, guys.
Yeah.
It's no longer
Bali Legian Beach.
no longer Kuta, already Legian. This is the main.
This one is Jalan Pantai Legian.
Exactly. There is the Legian Hotel here. Also the full family driving on the bike.
Yeah. So basically in this area, they also famous for the 5 stars hotel, 3 stars hotel. I think the 3-star hotel is just like behind the 5-star hotel. And this one on the left side is the famous souvenir shop. I mean souvenir center. And on the left side a garlic lane, the famous garlic lane. Yeah.
Garlic Lane. This is the Magani Hotel. So basically the 3 2-star hotels are deep inside the gangs, inside the small lanes, small streets. And on the main street there are 4 5-star hotels. And we are heading now into direction of Mercure Hotel, and we're gonna go more into Seminyak Legian direction.
Yeah, and I heard that this Mercure Hotel is also one of the quarantine hotels.
Really? I didn't
Yeah.
know actually
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
There was the mall supposed to be, unfortunately. Look at the color of this car. So bright.
Yeah. Okay, so we are in the Legian area. And this Legian is also famous, this area, yeah, famous for the shopping center. You see on the left, on the right side. Also famous for the for the tattoos, sorry. Yeah, shopping center, souvenir shops, and and then tattoo shops, sorry.
And genuine fake shops. Because so many signs I already saw it actually.
Yeah, like leather
Oops.
shop, something like that.
We're gonna go, I think, in the direction of 66 Beach, and there is the road by the beach. Come back to Padma actually. I think this is the great opportunity to show you like that, because during when we do, especially I do the normal vlogs, it's kind of hard to cover all of this, and you have to cut into so many separate videos. But now you have opportunity to see all of this in raw material. How does it look like? Many of you are familiar with this. This is Legian. I think this is the Legian Street still actually, right? But later we're gonna come back into the proper Legian Street. I mean, where it's popular, so many bars. But later we still going into Seminyak direction to the 66. And I kind of feeling kind of quieter here, right?
Yeah, because this area, this part of Legian is just, like famous for the shopping centers. It's not famous for the party spots.
Okay guys, I will open little window and let's honk little bit. I know so many of you are missing about the honks. Also loud bike. You miss the sounds of the streets here, we go guys. Alright, where is this pharmacy shop at the front? We're gonna go left, and this is the entrance to the 66.
Oh.
I used to also vlog on 66 Street last time, and there is actually road closure at the front, and there is some police checkpoint. Why the road is closed actually?
Must be upacara or ceremony. Okay, so here is Jalan Arjuna or 66.
Yeah, I used to vlog here actually also last week, guys. So if you missed, you can check this out.
Yeah.
Just suggestion, little bit promoting my old video, right?
Yeah. So this area is also famous for the tattoo shops and shopping centers like souvenir shop. Oh my God. I don't know. It's just still closed.
And yeah, the front is Horizon Hotel for the people who missing. Actually, there is not that many hotels on this street, but it's many shops and many tattoos.
Yeah.
And dogs. Have to very careful for the dogs on the street.
Yeah.
Well, I used to vlog here, so you can check all the videos more detailed. Actually, I literally walk here. Going now to the beach direction, and I want to show you really the street leading from Seminyak up to Legian to the Padma.
You see on the left, on the right side, souvenir shop, tattoo shop. Yeah, some are open, like spa also.
Yeah, well, definitely more and more shops are opening up. They are still, of course, many of them they are closed, but more and more opening up. And there used to be some hotels actually, but I don't know what's the name of this hotel here. This is definitely not 66, but I don't know. Anyway, this is the already entrance to the 66 beach.
Yeah.
And we are going left here. So we're gonna drive to Legian. This is actually the Legian Seminyak. Can you see the sign at the front? This is like a border between two towns, Seminyak, Legian. And this is the border. Between this gate is the border actually. Yeah, some foreigners, tourists also arrive here. So we are heading now. Have to pay for the parking area. Thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Boss. Remember, everyone will call you here boss. Boss.
The only one place in the world when you are boss for everyone is Bali. That's for sure. Always boss.
Yeah. So here is the world famous Seminyak 66. You see, I think that
this is Baksa area.
bakso biru, gerobak biru area, yeah. And then once I think that Erika told me like this area famous just because of the bakso. Yeah, and once I think that we were here many times to buy bakso. Okay, so here on the left and on the right side, I think that kind of busy, yeah?
It's weekend and people coming for back, so but yeah, especially for the weekend here, in the weekend. But this area up to this gate, and then just slightly after that it will be actually very quiet. This is what actually I mentioned many times on my vlogs, as up to this moment is busy and then it's gonna be quiet, especially after the gate, you know, the gate after the this is Ramayana Hotel, by the way. Some pickup. Here we go. Okay, we have time, no problem.
Chill, santai, kayak di pantai.
What?
Santai, kayak di pantai. You know santai kayak di pantai?
Yeah, I know what does it mean,
Chill, like you
santai,
are
yeah.
on the beach.
Okay, but he already put the old people inside the car. It would be nice if you could drive a little bit slowly, yeah?
Yeah.
Should I honk or not? Let's count till 10 seconds. Okay, he's
yes,
going.
he's
All right.
going.
So,
So already back on business.
yeah, but this is Legian already. I mean, actually, that was Legian all the time. And the beach here is definitely more quiet. This is also area of away by Iodia Hotel. Hotel is open, I think, right?
Yeah.
There was some little warung here, little bar, and this is the gate, and this is already like area of Melasti beach in Legian. There are actually two beaches, Melasti, one in Uluwatu, which is more popular, and this one in Legian. But many people actually recognize Melasti beach by this one, not really in Uluwatu, but yeah, there are a few hotels.
Yeah. So here is, I don't know why. Like, I think there are many renovation for the hotel. I think they are preparing for the opening.
Yeah, they are preparing for the opening. But this one, Melasti Hotel, is totally closed, guys. It's pretty sad, actually. And all the, you see Melasti, this is like I said, Melasti bar. And also kind of quiet area. Not really sure why it's like that, because this is like a, well, Legian beach, obviously, but it's kind of quiet, yeah. Sadly, but that's how it is, right? Not much is happening. Like I said, Kuta beach will be kind of busy, as you saw. We even stuck in the little traffic. Then it was Legian Padma, what we are hitting now, and here is actually very quiet. Also area of Padma Hotel and Erika Warung very soon, and then is Seminyak, where it's back, so it's so busy. So Legian is between, in the middle, and it's kind of quiet. So there is not even motorbikes parked around. And,
Not as busy as in 66, Damian's mean. Yeah, there are some motorbikes, but they are not as...
yeah, this is the entrance to Erika, and this is Padma Hotel, yeah. And this is area where I used to vlog quite often as well. Many of you are familiar with this area and like the area. There was also singing guy should be here, but I don't know if he's already here or not. You wanna go straight or you wanna go left?
Yeah, let's turn on left.
So we're gonna go to Padma Street in Legian. If you go straight, you're gonna come back to the main street in Kuta. And but this is Legian. Padma Street, also popular, used to be. There is the, what's the name of the hotel? I forgot.
Bali Mandira. So on the right side there is a Bali Mandira Hotels, and on the left side is the Padma Hotel, Padma Legian Hotel. And yeah, seems like, I don't know, still like this.
Still like this. Poser Pub. Padma Uttara, I used to vlog already 2 times there. I mean, many times, but 2 times. Very quiet.
Okay, so now we go to the
Garlic
Lane.
So this is the entrance to the Garlic Lane. It's also, if you're driving by car, this is one-way road system. So you have to pass in Garlic Lane, either you want or not. And well, I used to vlog here all. Well, it's actually easier to ask me where I didn't vlog yet. But I used to walk here a few weeks ago. I used to have a coffee in this place. They opened this place actually, and after that, still not much is happening on Garlic Lane.
This is the famous, the Legian Bar and Restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah. Seems like it's gonna be cloudy actually. Maybe no sunset.
Billy's Bar Restaurant. Yeah.
Used
so
to be
behind-
popular seat, Garlic Lane Bar Restaurant, popular place. This is why actually this place is called Garlic Lane, because this street is actually different name, Jalan Arjuna, I think.
Yeah. Bali Bogan. I like that one. The donut guy, Bali Bogan donut guy. Okay, so we are back here on Jalan. What is it called?
I'm not sure what is the street name, but this is like a short street up to Mercure, and then we're gonna hit into direction of Legian Street.
Yeah. You see on the left, on the right side here. Oh yes, this one is the traditional shop, oleh-oleh shop. Yeah. Okay. So we will go straight.
Yeah, because we cannot go directly to the Legian
Oops.
Street. Oh, nearly clash.
Oh.
This is one-way road.
Dude, that's one-way route, bro.
Oh well, that's how it is.
Okay.
Anyway, this is the one-way road system right now.
I think that behind this road, you see, like on the right here, the shortcut, there are so many also 3-star hotel behind, 2-star hotel, guest houses, and yeah, this area is just like, you see, many also local shop here, selling helmet. Maybe
Yeah.
a stolen helmet there, honey.
2 stolen helmets.
Oh my goodness!
Actually,
Oh, dear.
I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, but that's.
Okay.
Oh,
So now we are heading to the Legian food court. Yeah, you see on the left, on the right side, nasi padang. You see on the right is the 3-star hotel, and here is the Legian food court on the right. But we didn't go to the Legian food court today.
yeah.
Now we are going to the famous Legian Street, which is famous for the what is it called? Party
Yeah,
spot.
I think everybody heard, at least, if you ever been in Bali, at least you heard about Legian Street.
Yeah,
Legian Street is like party street,
yeah.
definitely.
So in this area on the left and the right side is famous for the tattoo shop, and also famous for the souvenir shop. You see, tattoo shop. So we turn left, and then this area is also famous for the 3-stars hotel, 2-stars hotel. Yeah.
And of course, so many bars, discotheques, clubs,
Yeah.
shops, massage parlors. Actually, quite a lot of massage shops here as well.
Yeah, but it seems like, you see, on the weekend, warung buka.
Places are
Everything's
open,
open.
but there is once again, I know I already said many times, but still there is no people walking around. Passing by Motorbike area, but no tourists walking around. So.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think that the shops, the massage lady already back. This one is the Legian pool party bar club, and also a hotel like here, you know, like 3-star hotel, Love Hotel, this one. And I read somewhere, like, you know, this hotel now open monthly. I mean, like, if you want to rent monthly, like renting a cost, they open around 2.5 million or 3 million per month. wow, you can stay in the hotel just like the price, cost price. And here is the coffee pot. Somebody said that this coffee pot is the oldest coffee shop, right, in Kuta?
Yeah, somebody said it's the one of the oldest. When this road was still dirt road, the coffee pot was already here. Because obviously all of these streets long time ago, there was just the village street. And there was like no asphalt or no bricks like is it now. It's just normal dirt road. So not so long ago.
Yeah. So this road is also famous for the hostels. And also, you see on the left side, Kayun Hostel. Yeah, it's just like, you know, the affordable price for the hotel. Okay, so here is the world famous, what is it called? Ground Zero. And also world famous Sky Garden. You see, can see from the top, Sky Garden. Oh my God.
Unfortunately closed, and was closed already a few years ago, and I'm not sure if ever gonna come back, but used to mention about that already many times. Banti discotheque this weekend and it's still closed, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Well, it's still actually kinda quiet, especially if we are comparing to the.
And this one LXXY, also another club. And here is the Warung here. I think this one the Aussie Fellas Club.
Yeah, many Aussie mates chilling there.
Yeah, so souvenir shops again. Open. Day spa, hostel, course. Yeah. This is how it is.
This is how it is.
Oleh-oleh shop.
Definitely more shops are open, that's for sure, guys. No doubts about that. But there is no tourists, that's it.
Tattoo shop. Yeah. Okay, so now we will go to left.
Gonna go
Even
left.
this famous warung, oh, selling like 35k breakfast. So it means like.
Well, Kuta in
struggling
general is definitely cheaper than Seminyak or Canggu. I think Seminyak and Canggu in general, they are the most part of Bali right now. Kuta Legian was also always cheaper a little bit. And this is like a downtown of Kuta, main streets, leading now into Sunset Road. Also the traffic situation on the junction like that. The biggest central Kuta money exchange with Western Union.
Yeah, this also famous for the, you know, like there is a one mall here, Gela L. You see, like I told you, another clinic for the test. Maybe you can help me, guys, to count how many clinics that you already found
So
during
many.
the 2 hours live stream.
So many. We're gonna go straight. We're gonna show you the central parking in Kuta. And Ikea, of course. I mean, we're not gonna get inside, but we're gonna show you from outside. And then we're gonna show you Davis Street,
Yeah.
and then a little bit of the Sunset Road, and that will be finished probably of our live stream. But stay tuned, guys. It's not yet. We still have a little time, a little energy to make it. However, Winnie's hand is a little bit painful for carry the camera. It's not easy, guys. Actually, you know,
Oh my God.
it's really not easy. But you still okay? Yes, I am.
Yes, okay. Okay, so here is Jalan Raya Kuta. Basically, this area, again, PCR test clinic. Okay, sorry.
So many of these
so
tests.
many. Okay, so here is Jalan Raya Kuta, and also this area is famous for the 3-star hotel, shopping center, spa, and also this area is close by the Kuta Central Parking. You see there are also many locals warung vendors on the street. And then yeah, here is turn left. We will turn left. We will go to the area of Central Parking Kuta Central Parking. And you see there are many bus. Long time ago, bus. If you wanna the bus going to the Pantai Kuta, you are not allowed. You have to park here and take the mini buses. And here, right in front of me, the world famous Ikea. I don't know, should we go inside? Maybe next time, but not today.
Definitely not today, but maybe one day. But this is probably also the world's smallest IKEA shop at the same time.
Yeah.
I heard stories. This is actually very small, deep inside.
Yeah, this one, Kuta Central Parking, is famous for the shopping center that's close by Kuta. You see Ace Hardware. What is it called? The Korean shop here. And then many also offices here in the Kuta Central Parking. You see on the right, on the left side.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there was
many dikontrakkan, the shop.
it's very old part of Kuta.
Yeah.
There was the huge plants, but
Yeah, you see like many office here actually, and also there are many shop, many what is it called? Also 3-star hotel.
and now we are going to world famous again, Davis Street. We got actually quite many requests to show you this place, and well, it's very hard to make a proper video about that because this street is totally not suitable for walking. Everything is big and distant, so it's good for little live stream. There's Pepito, and there's so many actually huge restaurants. This is like a
Big restaurant that is still affordable. The price still affordable. Yeah, many grocery store, and then also many 3-star hotel. You see on the right side.
yeah, it's like typically city hotels.
hotels.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see on the left side warung Pepe pizza. On the right side also pizza.
It's actually kind of Kuta Eat Street, I could say.
Yeah,
So many-
Legian Street, 3-star hotel.
So many. Especially
Yeah.
3-star hotels.
And also what I can say, noodle shop.
Yeah, in
A
general,
restaurant.
it's many big restaurants here. It's a little bit like in some like Malioboro Street in Denpasar, or
Yeah.
it's little bit vibe like in Denpasar actually here. It's Kuta, but it's vibe a little bit like a center of Denpasar.
And also you see here in the front is the karaoke bar, spa. Is it the karaoke plus? I don't know.
Karaoke plus plus,
Yeah. You know karaoke plus?
but I think it's not suitable to tell on the live
Okay.
stream.
Sorry guys, but I think that you guys understand.
Karaoke plus plus. If you don't know, you can Google.
Okay,
Anyway.
you see on the right is another karaoke. Karaoke? Is it karaoke plus? I don't know. Maybe you should come and
Anyway,
check.
another Agung Bali. This is some sort of like a
Ole show.
ole shop, and this is also the biggest junction in Kuta, I could say right now. There's
See on the left side here, what is it? Why
I don't
so
know.
many people here on the left?
yeah, it's some sort of event thing,
Yeah,
but I don't know. So many.
I don't know. If you go inside, also there is a. Oh, that's the hotel Grand Kuta, 3-star hotel. Kuta.
Opening?
I don't know, but why so many people are here? And then in the front here, oopsie.
Yeah, you have to drive because we are turning right. We're going back to Sanur.
Yeah.
This is the biggest junction actually. You could go to Denpasar Street, but we are going right here, coming back to.
Okay, so here is the Sunset Road.
Yeah, this is the Sunset Road, guys. Well, the biggest road in Bali. Many also hotels, many also restaurants around, but the big restaurants actually, you know, like big ones. There also used to be supermarket, Carrefour, but Carrefour is gone. Now it's different brand, I think. It's Trans. But as you see on the left, on the right, there are shops. Like you can buy furniture, like equipment to your villa, stuff like this. Also many city hotels. Ole Ole shop. Yeah.
Ole Ole. This one, the world famous Krishna Ole Ole. Again, we are not promoting, but yeah, on the left side, another test.
Come on, so many this test.
Okay.
But there will be more actually on the street, huh?
Yeah. So, where we go, honey? Takumar Street?
No, I think not on today's occasion. It's already almost 2 hours. I see your hand is already tiring. You are already tired. And it's already long. We're gonna go into Sanur direction right now, but at least we're gonna show you till end of the Sunset Road. This is one of the junctions. Well, probably one day we can drive around Denpasar if you would like to be interested, guys. But you have to let me know in the comment section and in the live chat. We made actually a few videos in Denpasar last times, and the interest is slightly less than the other areas of Bali. So yeah, let me know, guys.
Yeah, you see that even the MotoGP in Mandalika in the billboard already put it there.
Yeah,
so,
the race is actually next week, but
I think that nowadays most of the tourists who used to live in in Bali, now they are going to Lombok for the MotoGP, I think. But I don't know.
Yeah, if you are a fan of MotoGP, I'm personally more likely into Formula One, but yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is the intersection. If you turn left, we'll go to Jalan Imam Bonjol, Denpasar, which is the Trans Studio Mall. Oh my God, look at the Shopee guy! Jesus, the red light, and then he just go.
Not mention as he used to play on his phone on motorbike while driving.
Oh my God, and also
Loud bike.
Where is the registration?
But can you hear the sun?
Oh my God, I hate it. I don't like the loud bike, so I close. Okay, so if you turn left, there will be Jalan Imam Bonjol, Denpasar. If you turn right, is Jalan Raya Kuta to go to the Kuta Central Parkir. But now we will go straight. We will go home. We will go to Sanur.
We're gonna go home, yeah, but
Yeah.
oh, that's the big bus.
Yeah.
Yellow big bus.
I think that the tourist bus. I think the tourists from a different island still coming to Bali. Oh dear. I don't like it. Can we cut this part? I don't like it. I got earache. Okay, so here is Sunset Road, guys.
Oh well, this is Sunset Road.
Yeah.
That's it. This is how it is. Just enjoy the sounds of the street, I could say.
Oh my God. This is a sound pollution. Okay, so here is on the left some Swiss Bell Hotel, and also another test.
Oh, come on with this test. So many tests.
Okay, another traffic. And also on the right side there is some, I think that's the yellow building is the
Commonwealth Bank.
Commonwealth or Maybank.
Commonwealth. So.
Yeah.
There is no Maybank anymore in Bali. I think they.
Yeah. So this is how the traffic on the weekend on Sunset Road. You see.
So relaxing to drive, guys.
No, I don't really like the loud bikes. Okay, so on the left side, on the right side, famous for the shop, big shop.
Yeah, like the biggest Ripco, the biggest
and also
backpack
3-star
shop.
hotel. So many 3-star hotel here on the
Yeah, city hotels usually are 3-star hotels in Bali.
Yeah.
This is area of ex Carrefour shop. Now it's Trans Mall.
Trans Studio. Trans Smart, sorry.
Yeah, but this is the one compound.
Used to be, what is it called?
Carrefour.
Honey? Carrefour.
It's no more. The building is the same, but the different brand. This is also the most popular and I think the most expensive hospital in full entire Bali. It's called Siloam.
I think that someone make a meme like you, what is it called? Staying in Siloam is the same price as staying a 5-star hotel. So make sure you have a health insurance when you are in Bali, because the price in the hospital is very expensive if you don't have your health insurance.
Yeah, I had a friend who was surfing and surfing board hit his chest and nothing broken, but he got little bit pain and he go to hospital, get into special cream, and the bill at the end was 9 million rupiah for that, for the cream. So insurance cover it, but that's 9 million for the short visit, guys. So imagine if something serious happened to you guys.
Okay, so here is still the what is it called, the traffic in the road of the Sunset Road. If you go there to the underpass, you will go to airport, but we don't go there.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Now it's time to go home to Sanur. Yeah.
It's time to go Sanur. Also very dangerous.
Yeah.
It's also. And there's actually another hospital here.
Yeah. Oops.
Very relaxing to drive. This is another hospital, BIMC.
PCR test to go, another PCR test, and on the right side there is a hypermart or mall Bali Galleria from the south gate. Yeah. So see on the left side here also hotel, 3-star hotels.
Yeah, that's it. That's how it is, guys. I think we're gonna finish very soon.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, let's show you our face a little bit, guys. I think that's it for today's live stream. We're going home. It's going to be rainy actually soon. I think the weather's changed quite a lot. Previously was sun, very sharp. Now it's cloudy.
And thank you so much for those of you who already leave comments. Sorry that I couldn't read it, because I focusing taking the pictures, taking the video, holding the cameras. Thank you so much for those of you who are leave comments. And yeah, I think that's all our live stream today.
That's all our live stream. Thank you so much.
My hand already shaking, guys. Tired.
Now now imagine I used to work for 2 hours as well additionally.
God,
Alright, guys.
so tiring.
At the end, don't forget to thumbs up. This is very important, guys, and it's like just thumbs up. We're gonna go home. We're gonna leave little bit image of the road, but already without commentatory for 2-3 minutes, so you can all of guys say goodbye to each other.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow on next. See you tomorrow on another vlog, and also next Saturday. Next Saturday, this is Sunday, but next Saturday will be another regular live stream from somewhere. Take care, guys. And at the end, it's rain.
Oh dear, it's raining. So we are going to Sanur. Oh, the traffic still.